Hi there. Are you a provider in the Southwest looking for the top musculoskeletal ultrasound injection course to get the best training to help you right away in your practice? Well, look no further than R3 Medical Training. We have our headquarters location for training right here in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, the Phoenix metro area. So if you live in the valley, if you live in Tucson, Flagstaff, Yuma, or you're a short flight away, these courses are extremely convenient and we offer them monthly. Why should we be the go-to for your MSK Ultrasound course? Well, let me explain with our value triangle. Now, at the top of the triangle is the fact, first of all, that we are CME accredited. All of our courses give you 8 hours per day of CME accreditation. So day 1 is the upper extremity MSK Ultrasound course. Day 2 is the lower extremity. We also have a separate spine course that will teach you cervical, thoracic, lumbar, facet injections and what to watch out for, like the lung, things like that. That also gives you 8 hours times 2 days, so 16 hours of CME accreditation. Also at the top of the triangle is our expert faculty. Now, our ultrasound trainers do this for a living, day in, day out. They have thousands of hours and years of experience doing interventional procedures under ultrasound guidance. And they have all the tips, tricks, and techniques and know the anatomy to convey to you so that you can have that confidence to provide those procedures for your patients right away. And they love it. Patients expect it now. If they're paying out of pocket for, let's say, a regenerative procedure, PRP, stem cell exosomes, they want to know that that biologic is being placed exactly where it needs to go. They love seeing the needle go right into the tissue and then that flash with the biologic spreading out. For instance, if you have a micro tear of the rotator cuff, imagine seeing it on the screen, putting the needle right into around the tear, and then boom, the biologic goes right there. Patients love that. Psychologically as well, they'll think the world of you and send you referrals. Now, moving down to the second part of the triangle is the hands-on experience. Now, a lot of courses that are offered out there work with cadavers. Cadavers can't give you any feedback, obviously. There's no tactile experience where a person might say, that hurts, or whatnot, or, tapping off the bone and then them saying, okay, that's better, it doesn't. Or, giving you, like you hit a nerve and it gives that electrical sensation. Cadavers don't tell you that, right? We offer a hands-on experience with real patients coming in for our training courses. It might be military veterans, first responders who we're treating for free under our Heroes program. It might be real paying patients who know that they're going to have a procedure with an attendee under the direct supervision of our expert faculty. But there's nothing like getting the patient's story, doing the diagnostic ultrasound, and then doing the procedure to cement that skill set into your brain so that when you get back in the front of a real patient at your practice, you don't have to wonder. You're like, oh, I've done this before, I remember this, that, because it sticks, okay? Now, we also offer a first-rate technology called the needle trainer. The needle trainer utilizes AI and GPS to show you where the needle would go on a real person, but the needle doesn't actually go through the skin. And that is amazing at giving you the repetition needed to further cement that skill set for your real practice moving forward. Now, the last part of the triangle is affordability. The first part of that is that everybody gets a free procedure. You'll be able to get a free procedure yourself, right? And we allow our attendees to do procedures on each other. So that's additional hands-on experience that you'll receive. Now, as far as the pricing of the course, you can see that in the video here. You can go to r3medicaltraining.com and see it. We haven't raised our pricing much in years. In the 10 years that we've been doing ultrasound guided injection courses, we've raised our pricing like twice. Why? We want to keep them affordable so that providers know they got a huge value. They'll tell their friends and colleagues, and you'll get even further discounts to come back for refresher courses. So there you have it, the value triangle. There's nothing like it. Our headquarters here in Scottsdale is 12,000 square feet. We have a lot of areas for learning and first-rate technology. Give us a call at the number on the screen. We'll help you get enrolled. So what are you waiting for? Our courses fill up fast. They occur every month. So make sure you get your slot by calling us today at the number on the screen, or you can sign up directly on r3medicaltraining.com.